It'll eventually stop. So that's the reason why we drill these little holes. Hey guys, welcome back to Square County Homestead. Today just a little short and sweet video. We're gonna make a little chick water. I'm actually gonna make this for our quail chicks, but you can use them for chicken, whatever you got there. Real quick list. This is actually an old apple cider vinegar jug. It's a little more sturdy than a regular milk jug, but use what you got. And I'll show you when we're done with a milk jug. We got the little waters with the yellow nipple in there. We're gonna try these because I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna put in my the quail hutch that we build. I think I'm gonna try these and see how that works. So I want to try to go ahead and get them used to these now while they're still chicks. Tape measure, little Sharpie, and a 3/8 drill bit. So I'm gonna bring it in a little closer. That way you can see what's going on. Okay, so a little bit closer view here. This is just a gallon jug. Like I said, these are a little more sturdy than your regular milk jug. So all I've done, I just measured up 2.5 inches. That's because of these cups. So what I've done is I wanted to make sure it was going to be off the ground. Y'all see that? I just wanted to make sure that was going to keep us off the ground, the cup. But we didn't want to go too high. Remember, these are still chicks. So 3/8 drill bit. I want to make sure I get all those little burrs off. Now, you can put you a bead of silicone right here. I don't think we're gonna need it. Now these have a little rubber washer right here. I think that's gonna help. If it don't, I'll go back and put a bead of silicone. We're gonna get it threaded in. And I get it tight to where that rubber washer is going to mash against this plastic. Okay, just like that. Now here's our important part. This Sharpie, we're going to put us a little black dot on this yellow nipple. Just like that. Y'all see that? So what that's going to do, that's going to get the attention of that chick for him or her to hit that nipple. So now we do the other one and we're going to test it out. So here's one I tested on just a regular milk jug, and it's kind of flimsy, but it will work. Like I said, I think I would probably put a bead of silicone on these, but I don't see a problem with it. So most everybody's got these laying around. So give it a try. Okay, so there's our two on here. Let's fill this up with water. We're gonna check, make sure nothing's leaking. And I actually forgot a key part of this. I just went back and got me like an 1/8 inch drill bit. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a few little holes up top here. And the reason for that, we don't want this to get vapor locked. I'll show you a prime example of what vapor lock is here in just a second. All right, so we got us a few holes in there. Let me show you a prime example of what vapor lock is. This was that jug that I just took that out of. Here's an open hole. Now it's got the lid on there, watch. See how let the air? It's got air to it now. Cut the air off to it. It'll eventually stop. So So that's the reason why we drill these little holes. And I'm just gonna hit these little nipples and make sure water's coming out like it should. Now, when they hit that, they're not gonna sit there and hold it down for it to fill up. They're gonna just hit it and take a drink, take a drink, take a drink. So I think I'm gonna go back and get my little 12 by 12 base I had and lift this water up. Just enough to keep the pine shavings and stuff. They've already got pine shavings in this. It ain't been 3 minutes. So let's try that. All right, so I put it back on the plate. And most people want to know, why didn't I just make our, let me get in here. Why didn't we just pull these up, or water, or nipples? Well, if you do that, it defeats the purpose of having a gallon of water. If I bring it on up, now I've only got this much water going through. If I keep that nipple down low, you're gonna have more water. Not change it quite as often. Yeah, so here's our setup. Here's the brooder. As you can hear, there's our little setup, and it's okay. Kind of expensive. But y'all just keep watching, and later on, probably within the next few weeks, I'll have a video on how we're gonna build a very nice system for about $75, I'm thinking $75. And you can build it in about 10-15 minutes. So it's just that simple. Make this water like this. As y'all know, we always appreciate you watching our videos, especially our subscribers. So give us a like, subscribe. Any attaboys, criticisms, comments, leave us a comment. We'll try to get back to you. Maybe you got a different idea. Give me some ideas, and maybe you want to see tried, and we'll try it. So we sure appreciate you watching.